Divorce isn't something people plan for. No one gets married thinking this will end. Yet, when divorce happens, the world is quick to label it failure, weakness, giving up. But here's the truth we don't say enough. Divorce isn't always the problem. Sometimes staying is. Divorce is rarely sudden. It's usually the final step after a long period of trying. Trying to communicate, trying to forgive, trying to be seen, trying to feel safe, valued, or emotionally connected again. Most people don't leave because they stop caring. They leave because caring began to cost them their peace, their confidence, or even their sense of self. We talk a lot about commitment, but not enough about the damage of staying too long. Living in constant tension, walking on eggshells, feeling alone while sharing a life with someone. A relationship should support your nervous system, not keep it in survival mode. Sometimes the bravest thing isn't holding on, it's recognising when something no longer fits. Divorce is rarely one person's fault, and it's rarely about one moment. It's usually the result of unmet needs, broken trust, emotional disconnection, or safety being lost over time. That doesn't mean anyone is a villain, but it does mean honesty matters more than appearances. Ending a marriage doesn't erase the love that existed, it honours the truth of what exists now. Even when divorce is the right decision, there is grief. You grieve the future you imagined, the version of life you thought you'd have, the person you hoped your partner would become. And that grief deserves compassion, not shame, judgment, or pressure to move on. Healing isn't linear, and you don't have to rush it. If you're listening to this and your chest feels tight or your mind feels heavy, let's ground together for a moment. You don't need to close your eyes, just soften your focus. Taking a slow breath in through your nose and a longer breath out through your mouth. Again, in and out. Now gently press your feet on the floor. Notice the weight of your body being supported. Name 5 things you can see around you. No judgment, just notice. Now 4 things that you can feel: the chair beneath you, your clothes on your skin, your breath moving. 3 things you can hear, near or far. 2 things you can smell or sense that you enjoy. And 1 thing you can tell yourself right now, something grounding, like, I am safe in this moment, I'm allowed to choose peace, or this is hard, but I'm still here. Take 1 more slow breath in and gently let it out. Divorce is not the end of your story. It's the end of a chapter that no longer aligns with who you are or who you were becoming. Choosing inner peace over persistent isn't quitting. It's self-respect for you. And healing doesn't mean forgetting. It means learning how to stand steady again, 1 grounded breath at a time. Hope you like what you heard today. If so, please like, subscribe and pass it on. Take care.